Good day, sir. So, this is our assignment. So, ang given natin dito is 192, 168, 1, and 0. So, paano nga natin yun magagawa? So, gagawa tayo ng 27 bits. So, ito, pag nagawa natin tong 27 bits, so, i-divide natin siya ng 8 bits each. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ganito din dito, dito din 8 bits, and dito is yung pinakalas is yung 3 bits. So, kung paano natin makukuha yung 2 to 5 is pag-a-add-in natin ito, i-add natin yung 8 bits, ganun din dito, at ganun din dito sa last na 3 bits is yung 2 to 4. So, ang magiging result niyan is the subnet mask is 2 to 5, 2 to 5, 2 to 5, and yung last na 3 bits is yun yung 2 to 4. So, paano nga din natin makukuha yung subnet mask na 24? So, yung given kanina is 27 na bits. So, 27 bits tapos minus 24 is magiging 3 bits siya. So, paano nga din naman natin makukuha yung M? So, alam naman natin na meron tayong 32 bits total. So, ito yon 32 bits total. Lahat ito. And then, yung given na 27. So, 32 minus 27 is magiging 5 host bits siya. So, ang reserve bits naman natin is meron tayong dalawa. So, bakit meron tayong dalawa na reserve bits? So, yung isa is IP is reserved for the network address. Eh, yung isa is IP is reserved for the broadcast address. Kaya, may dalawa tayong reserve bits. So, paano naman natin hanapin yung subnet 2 raised to n? So, 192.168.10 and yung 27 bits. So, ang default dito is yung 24. So, 27 minus 24 is 3 subnets bits. So, number of subnets is 2 raised to n tapos 2 raised to 3. Kung paano natin nakuha yung 2 raised to 3, yung 2 dati ng given. So, yung raised to 3 is yun yung 3 subnets bits. So, 2 times 2 times 2 is magiging 8. So, dito naman sa host bits. So, dito sa host bits is yung 32 bits. Yung 32 bits is yun yung nasa pinakauna kanina na pinakita ko. 32 bits minus 27 is 5 bits. So, dito, ang formula naman dito is 2 raised to m minus 2. So, given na to. Ang given na tong 2 raised to m and minus 2. So, 2 raised to 5, itong 5 dito is yung 5 bits. So, 2 raised to 5 minus 2. And then, yung 32 minus 2. Yung 32 is ito. Mas ilalagay mo dito, minus 2. So, ang magiging total niyan is 30 usable hosts. So, ito ang magiging sagot niya. So, ito naman dito sa host per subnets. So, kanina, nakuha na natin yung sagot na 8 subnets sa pinakauna. So, 2 raised to n equals 8 subnets and 2m, ito yon 2m minus 2 ay 2 raised to m and minus 2 equals 30 hosts. So, ito naman yung 30 usable hosts. So, ang gagawin naman natin dito, i-multiply natin yung 8 subnets, tapos yung 30 na hosts. So, ang magiging sagot dyan is magiging 240 valid address. So, dito naman sa first valid host is always one address after network address. So, ang example naman dito is 192.168.1 and 0. So, the first valid host is 192.168.1 and 1. So, sa last naman is, yung sa last din naman ang maiibahan. So, the last valid host is always one address. So, example, 198.168.1 and 31. The last valid host is 192.168.1 and 30.